No.
There's a couple dating probably.
They were. They're married to one another.
They're married. So they call
Dog. They're married to one. I thought they were.
If you real love Indaba Zabantu, you're in the right section. So let's get to Indaba Zabantu and not tell anyone. Tell your friends in the family.
Shifting the goalpost, my dog.
I'm not shifting the goalpost, dog. It's wrong.
No pun
Dog,
intended.
imagine if we were fucking each other.
In the
You know what I'm
network.
saying? In the network. In the network.
Why you still imagine that? Why are you still imagining it?
I don't imagine it.
Okay,
I would
so,
never do that.
so
I
why
know
did you
where
say-
to draw the line.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
why did you
exactly.
say imagine if?
I'm just saying that's the point. My point is that I would call that out as well.
Why don't you call it out?
What do you mean? I've never seen anything happening with my own eyes. If I see it with my own eyes, I'll call it out.
Here in the network.
Are they chowing each other?
I'm asking.
I'm asking.
Are they
you
not?
too.
No, they left. They left. It was the
Oh.
other show. It was that show.
Oh.
They were chowing each other on that show.
Oh, wow.
No, they were chowing.
You when last did you drop a bomb, bro?
No, but you guys don't know.
Yeah, you're being cheesy.
You don't know.
We show. Which show? Come on.
You guys didn't know. No, don't act like you didn't know.
Why
Aye.
being cheesy?
You didn't know. You
You
didn't know.
don't
You didn't
know.
know.
What?
That's easy and Faraday have been fucking.
Oh!
You guys didn't know.
Mukwanas, welcome back.
I hope ngela xesha bengekho kwi relationship, but this is a bomb. Cho. This is a bomb. While expose abantu kanje, wow. Hey.
Welcome back, Mukwanas. Welcome back.
No, but it's not a secret.
She's a Muslim.
It's not a secret.
No.
Welcome back, Mukwanas. Welcome back. Yo, it's about time, bro.
As a Muslim,
I don't know.
Muslims don't smoke. They don't drink, right?
Ish, damn it.
But Farida smokes marijuana.
But hold on. Forget about marijuana, ne?
That's what she's.
Wait. I wonder. Farida or uthi bamenzeni uTaghi, or maybe because that's kids sakal. I don't know about it, that's kids. But now Taghi is having you. I think konyenze urepost onyenzeleke ukuthini uphendule, because this need the answers. Maybe it doesn't, but so I'm trying indlela ngoku. Hayibo. Besingazi. Hey, Tsitsi, thank you dog. Besingazi into. Hey. Let me get another figure next week. Maybe Louis as well drop. Wow. Tsitsi.
After that file that you just dropped, hold on.
Is that you
I
telling
need
your
to read something.
No, are we prepared for the roast?
Wait. Where's bookmarks here?
Welcome back, Mukwanas.
Hey, minus.
But I don't find if I can't polite, but I think ba right if ba anyway yasino cause and winnings, but besingayazi basiyothuka ngoku hayibo uqhubekeni. But sislapha ke ngoku sisiyazi. I hope it's true. Let's hope. I don't know basukwenza ngalonto, but sazi nje indaba zabantu ongumuntu uyazithanda indaba zabantu and sesiphakathi in, you know.
George. What? Where did you get this, bro?
Amanyala, susala amanyala from my bookmarks, man.
Where did you get?
On this, so just go and did it. See me when you see me.
What?
I joy trap. Inkinga. Ingxaki. Hey.